So hello family and welcome to Yangshuo in South China. This is a national park full of wonderful mountains. I've got lots of exciting footage to show to you, so let's get into it. Right, I've made friends with a girl called Abby and I think we're going to go for a tandem ride. So just managed to pick up this beast and we're going to go for a ride along the river. It's going to be great. Although saying that, I'm sweating already, I haven't even started cycling. Just got a ride at home. Quite a comfortable ride. Oh yeah. Okay, hello, this is Abby and she is an all-round amazing person and she's going to join me on the tandem. Have you ever been on a tandem before? No. No, okay, so there's a first time for everything. And we've both got our matching hats and so I think we'll be the most stylish tandem riders in town at the moment, so we'll see how it goes. Abby, how's it feeling?
Yeah, it's very nice. The view is very nice.
Me or the mountains? Okay, that was a seriously dodgy first trip. This hat was really loose and so it blew in front of my face and I had both hands on the brake and I was saying my hat's forward, but Abby couldn't hear. So yeah, a bit dodgy. I've tightened it up now so it's a bit more safe.
I'm running out of ways to make you see. So just tell me today, take my hand. Just say yes, just say there's nothing holding you back. It's not a test, nor a trick of the mind, only love. Please take my hand. Please take my hand. Just say yes, just say there's nothing holding you back. It's not a test, nor a trick of the mind, only love. Just say yes, 'cause I'm aching, I know you are too.
Okay, that's good. Right, we've just cycled and now we're in town, getting some food from somewhere she's researching, but it's very hectic. How you doing, Abby? We're such like tourists right now, it's hilarious. Like we're the only people with these hats on. But it's so funny, I love it.
So now we're going to eat the traditional food on the rice
So we're getting this guy to write out my Chinese name. I've got a Taoist name as well, but my Chinese name is Xiao Yaozi, which means carefree. Check this out. So I really wanted to use that Snow Patrol song in a montage, and it is a love song, and Abby is lovely. But I am on a spiritual journey and going back to Master Gu's place soon. So we've done lots and lots of fun stuff together, so join us tomorrow for part 2 of the actual vlog.